Hello there, I'm Nicholas, and this video is about the HyperX headset project. As you can see, it's been slightly modified, but not to the extent of the Xbox chat headset. This headset was from a collection that was sent to me by Bryce Johnson, who is an awesome person who is also one of the co-creators of the Xbox adapter controller. The short story is that Bryce was tagged in a Twitter post of mine by another awesome person who's a streamer named No Hands, No Excuses. That's his online persona, and he's an awesome bloke. And it just went from there. This video and future videos involving these headsets in the collection will be in a separate playlist that might be called Bryce's HSM, which short for headset modifications, and we'll just see how it goes. I might change the name. I don't know. Let's just hope that you have fun listening to this process. The headset itself is called the HyperX CloudX Stina Core. The difference between the Xbox chat headset and this one is that the game audio is transmitted to the headset, so I can chat with my mates while being immersed in the game of my choice. The headset speakers were taken apart and I saw what made up of these particular speakers. The right ear speaker had red and blue wires, while the left one had green and striped wires to accommodate the ground and audio channels. I looked up the wiring diagrams for the HyperX online and found out the specific channels for them. The red and green wires were the right and left audio channels, while the blue and striped was the ground. After this discovery, I took the right speaker wiring out of the speaker housing to make it easier to solder the wires to the jack port in the future. I played around with the placement of the jack port in either making a hole inside the speaker housing or modeling up a new jack port holder in relation to the headset speaker. I tested the connection between the HyperX's audio and the jack port with alligator clips. It confirmed the wiring diagram, but I double checked anyway to make sure the audio channels were correct before soldering. The process of soldering, dremeling a hole for the right speaker wire and hot gluing the wire itself to the housing is seen in this time lapse while you can listen to a song by Chippy. I demoed the headset by joining a party chat with my brother to see if I could hear him through my earphones, and it worked. Afterwards, I realized that the speaker cover for the headset fits normally, even with the modification in place, so there's no more necessary modifications for it. So that was awesome. The end result of this project is another headset to chat with my mates, but while being immersed in the game of my choice, and it will replace the Xbox Chat headset for regular gaming sessions. Hopefully you had a good time listening to my design process of modifying this headset, and look forward for more videos. Thank you for listening.